Hey everybody, Nolan with Black Diamond Services. I was out here at a repeat client's home doing some carpet cleaning. They just have me do their main living room where they spend most of their time. Just a few little spots. I just finished vacuuming and pre-treating it. Got some blocks. I'm going to be moving that little table. Otherwise, I just want the rest of these open areas to be cleaned. Now, this is an easy job, but this carpet's pretty dense, so it's a little bit of a struggle, but otherwise, last time it cleaned up really well. I was here about a little over 9 months ago, and basically same idea. Dirtier right here. The guy usually has an area rug sitting in front of that, so it's not bad there. And then just a couple spots around the table. More than likely coffee or some similar drink to that. But otherwise, yeah, this client I actually cleaned for before I started Black Diamond Services when I was working for another company. And I think the reason why, when he found me and found out that I was doing this independently, one of the biggest reasons why I was able to retain him as my own client is, for one, the safety door. Keeping carbon monoxide out, bugs, whatnot. Making sure the floor, keeping the floor safe from anything. Using blowers to dry it faster. Just corner guard at the edge here, even though this is a couch, but still put a corner guard there for when I bring my vacuum line in, so it's not rubbing across this furniture here. Just little things that can help you retain clients, gain new ones through referrals. And then also, I have sitting out there is my rake and my Scotch guard, because he's just doing one room, and one room falls in with the minimum charge. So what I told him is, why don't I Scotch guard your carpet at no charge extra, because it's just going to fall into the minimum charge. So being honest and doing little things like that really show what type of business you are. And yeah, it is extra work, but you know what? Clients appreciate that, getting their money's worth out of your service, because I'm sure you're not going to particularly reduce your minimum charge just because they're only doing one room. So why not show them some value? Go through Scotch guard, rake the carpet out, use a safety door like this. Little things like that, even though this is a 30-45 minute job, big deal if it adds another 15 minutes onto it. You're going to look a lot more professional. I think you'll stand out a lot better. This is just some things that I learned about that I had no idea were even available prior to starting Black Diamond Services, and I'm very thankful that I found them. So regardless if you get this one from Truck Map Forums or you see the other one, there's another one out there that's pretty good as well. I haven't used it, but it's basically the same idea. Truck Map Forums does have one that has a zipper now feature on the side here, and this extends up higher as well, so that's the cool thing. So you have a tall door, it gets bigger. But yeah, right now I'm just letting the carpet dwell, or the pre-spray dwell on the carpet, and then I'm gonna go back in and start the rest of my steps to get it nice and clean. But I just wanted to go over some things that can help retain clients that you just cleaned, or even get you referrals, because a lot of people have been nice enough to refer my business out just because they liked either this safety door, or they liked that I was gonna do Scotch guard for them, even though it was just one room, or 200 square feet of carpeting, or whatever it is, and it's still within your minimum charge. Doing little things like that instead of just going in and cleaning it and leaving and being like, wow, I just got $150 or whatever your minimum charge is for 30 minutes of work. Well, show them some value by doing that extra step, whether it's just the Scotch Guard to help protect the carpet. And, you know, I've noticed I get more referrals just through little things like this instead of going through jobs, you know, and not having that as something as an extra. Or for example, if I was just doing this and the guy had a recliner that he wanted done, you know, just a regular size small recliner, probably not microfiber, but a regular synthetic type material of some sort. You can go in there and probably take you an extra 15-20 minutes depending on the condition it's in, and you could probably fit it within your minimum charge. Little things like that go a long way, and you know, it might land you a really big job one day, because you never know who this person knows. And you know, I did a small job a couple months back, and just 3 rooms of carpet fell into the minimum charge that we do. And come to find out, he works for a hospital, and he got me in to a hospital for some carpet cleaning, and it was about 2,500, maybe 3,000 square feet of carpet. So you just don't know who you're going to run into, who knows who these days, and all it takes is one little small job to get you something huge. So, you know, take that extra 5-10 minutes, Scotch Guard that carpet, even if it's, you know, technically in a way not going to earn you extra money. Just being honest and doing little things like that will get you more business, and it's been proven time and time again for me since I've been in business for myself. I even did it when I was working for somebody else, just to show the value that we can offer. And you know, I got requests at the time. People would ask for me specifically because I'd do things like that, and I got paid a little extra for requests where I worked. You know, so little things like that made a difference, and even when I was working for somebody else. So I just kind of kept that thing going for my own business here, and now I'm getting more referrals because of it, and spending less money on ads, which is fantastic. So remember, you never know who you're going to run into. Invest in the small things. Get yourself a safety door. Get some runners, blankets, whatever it is that you want to use to protect floors, corner guards. Put your name on the corner guards. That's what I did. I got stickers on the corner guards. You know, not everybody's going to agree with it, but you know, when you think of Black Diamond Services, you probably don't think about carpet cleaning if you're not in my area. So when somebody hears that name around here, I want them to automatically think of me and my company and what we do. So I'm willing to spend the extra money and brand myself on just about every tool I have, not only for knowing that it's mine, such as a pump-up sprayer or something like that, which I don't currently have one on, but that way it doesn't get confused with other people's stuff, because some items I've had clients that have some similar items, like the vacuum, and a lot of people have the standard vacuum, the Shark Professional, and so when you accidentally set it near theirs, not thinking about it, and then you might confuse yours with theirs and accidentally take theirs. So I just put labels on everything, let my canister dry out because I cleaned it out after vacuuming, but I put the sticker on that generally, so that way I'm not losing things, forgetting things, because I'll see my name and know it's mine. But yeah, all these little things do add up a little bit, but at the end, I've noticed I'm getting more referrals because of it. So I just wanted to do a semi-quick video, probably rambled a little bit, apologize for that, but if you watched this far, I appreciate your time. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, give me your thoughts if you'd like. If there's stuff that you do, if you're a carpet cleaner, business owner, that you do that I didn't mention in this video, I'd love to hear about it. Maybe something I already do, it may not. Let's help each other out, let's learn, let's grow together. Doesn't matter if you're in my area or not. There's hundreds of thousands of homes in my coverage area, so there's plenty for everybody. So there's no reason why we can't help each other out, build each other up. Like I said, you never know who you're going to meet and what kind of connections you're going to make. Let's all grow. Have a fantastic day. Nolan of Black Diamond Services. Thanks for watching.